global warming, I believe. Horse just changed colour. This is Gsharny. Gsharny's got terrible feet. He's had terrible feet for years. I can't trim him the way you do a textbook trim. He seems to need to be a lot higher in the heel. He keeps growing these long toes. If I trim him too hard, he always ends up lame. I've had others trim him, and we don't end up with any different result, do we, buddy boy? One of the vets, about 6 years ago, said we should get him put down. We didn't. And he had his young mate who died, had feet the same. We can only put it down to a genetic fault somewhere along the line. Anyway, let's have a look and let's do him. Start with the back one, seeing it's closest to you. Let's have a look. Gsharny, pick him up. That's a boy. Oh, look at this. Pick them up. Doesn't help. I guess we can see here what's got to come off. One thing I can't do is take too much out of his sole. He gets sore. And somehow I'm going to get the toe off if I can. Near this here. It's one reason I use the grinder. If you apply too much pressure to these rock hard feet, well,
You got here.
Oh, what do we got here? Look at this one. Cool, this one's long. Look how long we are here. That's a lot more heel got to come off. It seems to have grown out of proportion. If I trim him at the right angles, he goes lame. It's going to take me a little while to clean this up, so we'll come back to it. Well, I want you to have a good look at this. You have a look at how much heel he's got. Come here. Have a look at how much heel he's got. It's way too much. And if I take it down too far, this is what I get. So he'll probably go a bit lame after this. But he's got, his hoof is way too high, as you can see. Well, that's it from Gsharn and me. I got something else for you. Here, do you want this? Do you want this? Want this? That's it from Gsharn and me. So there'll be a few more trims to come up. I've only got another 4 of these little blokes over the road that I've got to do now, but thank goodness they're nothing to the extent that these blokes get. And it's only just a matter of a few weeks since I trimmed them, but you wouldn't believe that, I know that. Winter has been shocking here, mud all year, last 2 days, concrete basically. Anyway, once again, all the best, stay healthy, and we'll catch you next round. Bye.